It's time to cloud up. Let's test your Azure Software as a Service (SaaS) skills. Question 1. SaaS provides software to customers through which type of model? The answer is web-based delivery, as SaaS delivers software through the web, eliminating the need for local installation or infrastructure. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of a SaaS offering? The answer is Dropbox, as Dropbox is a cloud-based file storage and sharing service, a clear example of SaaS. Question 3. In the SaaS model, who is responsible for maintaining the software? The answer is SaaS provider, as the SaaS provider is responsible for maintaining, updating, and securing the software. Question 4. Which feature of SaaS allows customers to access software from anywhere? The answer is web-based access, as SaaS applications are accessible over the internet, providing flexibility to users from any location. Question 5. How does SaaS pricing typically work? The answer is monthly subscription, as SaaS usually follows a subscription model, charging on a monthly or annual basis. Question 6. Which of the following is a key benefit of SaaS for businesses? The answer is scalability, as SaaS offers scalability, allowing businesses to easily adjust their usage and costs as their needs grow. Question 7. What type of maintenance is typically included in SaaS offerings? The answer is provider-managed updates, as SaaS providers handle all updates, patches, and maintenance automatically for users. Question 8. How does SaaS differ from traditional software deployment? The answer is SaaS is hosted remotely, as, unlike traditional software, SaaS is hosted in the cloud, eliminating the need for local infrastructure. Question 9. Which is a common security concern for SaaS users? The answer is data privacy, as SaaS involves storing data in the cloud, which raises concerns about data privacy and security. Question 10. What is an advantage of SaaS for smaller businesses? The answer is reduced need for IT staff, as SaaS eliminates the need for extensive IT infrastructure and staff, making it ideal for smaller businesses. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, skillar.com.